To replace your receptacle cap, you will need the following tools: flathead screwdriver, hammer. Step 1. Remove the existing cap by tapping it out with a screwdriver and hammer. Step 2. Mix the two-part adhesive that is supplied. Then, spread the adhesive around insertion end of the receptacle cap. Step 3. Press the receptacle cap that is provided into the hole. Leave cap in an upright position for 45 minutes until fully cured. Bend cap into place once fully cured.